Today start problem number 2, exercise 7.8, integration as a limit sum. So evaluate the following definite integral as limit of sums. So problem number 2 we consider this one. So here f of x equal to x plus 1. This one a equal to 0, b equal to 5. N is equal to b minus a. This is 5 minus 0. This is 5. N is equal to, we get 5. And we find the values. Now f of a plus is, f of a plus is, a means 0. F of 0 plus is, f of is, this equal to, if it is x then x plus 1, if it is h then h plus 1, this is h plus 1. F of a plus twice is, f of a means 0, 0 plus twice is, f of twice is, and this will be twice h plus 1. F of a plus 3 is equal to, f of a means 0, 0 plus 3 is, f of 3 is equal to 3h plus 1. So we can find in this way dot dot dot, and f of a plus n is, this equal to f of 0 plus n is, this is f of n is, and here n is plus 1. This one we get. By formula we know, since integration a to b fx dx, this equal to limit h tends to 0 is f of a plus h plus f of a plus twice h, f of a plus 3h plus dot dot dot, f of a plus n is this formula. We know this formula. We find this value of the integration by using this formula. So limit a means 0, b means 5, fx means x plus 1 dx. This is limit h tends to 0 is a plus h. F of a plus h means h plus 1. H plus 1. A plus twice h means 2h plus 1. 2h plus 1. And a plus 3h means 3h plus 1. Dot dot dot, n is plus 1. We are putting this value. Now we collect this limit h tends to 0 is, we are taking first term together, h, 2h, 3h, n h, we write down together. This is h, 2h, 3h, dot dot dot, n h, these are together. And second term is 1, 1, 1, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 dot 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 1. We write in this way. Now this limit h tends to 0 is, from all the terms taking h common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n. And here 1, 1, 1. Suppose if we have a, then we write 3a, because a 3 times. Again a plus a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we write 5a, because a 5 times. We write 5a. Here 1, 1, 1, 1. How many times? N times. So we write n into 1. This one. Again, you know this formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n. This is n into n plus 1 by 2. We know this formula. So using this formula here, limit h tends to 0, h, this h remains, and this to this we write n into n plus 1 by 2, and this one n. We get this. So we multiplying this limit h tends to 0. This is h square, h square, and multiplying this n square plus n by 2, and this is n h. This multiplying h into h square, n square n, and this n h. So this will be limit h tends to 0 to multiplying by h square n square h square n plus n h. This is limit h tends to 0. This is 2. Then we arrange this n h whole square, n h into h, and this is n h. We get this. Now this equal to limit h tends to 0. NH, the value of NH is 5. NH equal to 5. Initially we find this NH equal to 5. This is 5. 5 square plus 5h by 2. This is 5. Just here NH we putting 5. Here 5 into h. Here 5. And putting the limit. If we putting limit, then 25 plus 5 into 0. H tends to 0, this is 0 by 2 plus 5. So this will be 25 by 2 plus 5. And if we taking LCM, LCM is 2, 25 plus 10, and this is 35 by 2, and this is our final answer. So dear students, this solution is very nice. Just and you have to remember this formula also, 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n, then n into n plus 1 by 2, this formula. And if it is square, then using another formula. And by simple calculation, you have to arrange this calculation in nh. nh whole square, nh, because we know the value of nh. nh equal to 5. And putting the value of nh, this is 5, 5, 5, 5. And h is 0, 0, then 25 by 2, this we get this one answer. So I hope the solution is very easy. If you are feeling easy, please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Thank you.